Using Boost AI Search and Discovery, you've leveraged a tool that's helped your customers find what they're looking for easier. By streamlining the customer journey with personalized product recommendations and AI-driven search results, you've been able to enhance the overall user experience and increase conversion rates. But what if I told you it was even easier to convert those search results and product recommendations into sales? Our integration with Reviews.io, who are a Google-licensed review collection platform, makes it even easier to add those bits of social proof to your search results, helping you convert those browsers into buyers. Merchants just like you can showcase product reviews in search results and add review content to recommended products. Convert even more effectively by combining Boost AI Search and Discovery with Reviews.io. It's easy to use and set up and integrate seamlessly with your existing subscription. Still not sure how reviews can enhance your search? Let us walk you through how to set up the integration with a simple toggle on, toggle off button to activate the integration, and we will showcase what this can look like for your store and see those stars in your search results. When you land in the homepage of the Boost AI Search and Discovery dashboard, to set up the Reviews.io integration, you're going to want to head to the top navigation bar and head to Integrations. And within this drop down, we're going to first want to activate and turn on the bolt-on of the Reviews.io third-party integration. So this page is where all of our integrations live, and they are categorized into specific sections. As you can see, we've got SMS and email, and we're going to want to find the product reviews, and here is Reviews.io. We also have an instruction guide that you can click through and follow along if you want to read the instructions for how to set this up. Alternatively, you can just watch along with this video. It's as simple as toggling on this button here. It will warn you that you are about to integrate the new data, so you will process all of the Reviews.io product review data for the integration on all of your themes within the Boost app. Hit OK Integrate now if you are happy to do so. It will just take a second to load here. And then that section's toggled on. So that is the very first step in setting up the integration. You're going to want to head back to this drop down and navigate to the Shopify integration section. So this is where you can select the theme that you want to see and add your Reviews.io widgets to. So we're going to use this first live theme that we have here. It is also crucial that you are on your Turbo theme. Otherwise, the integration will not work unless you are on the latest version, which is the Turbo theme. So we're going to hit Customize. So just a little disclaimer here, as you can see, we are on version 2.1.3, which is the latest version. At whatever time you decide to add the integration, make sure that you are up to date on the latest version. So we're going to hit Customize here. This takes you to the editor to customize the storefront. You are now viewing the storefront. You're going to want to head to the product items and then click through to additional information. This is where you can add and showcase the product ratings here. So this will, as you can see, reuse all of the styling of your installed reviews app, and you can customize the product rating in more detail via this link. So you can see that the review app installed is the Reviews.io product reviews here. Make sure to hit save to make sure all of that goes live. And I'm going to show you how these widgets will look on your live storefront once that is saved. So those themes are edited successfully. I'm going to head over to showcase what this can look like for you in your storefront. So as you can see, we've got some review nuggets added. We've also got the review carousel here. And then within your actual catalog and the collection settings, you can see that the reviews are added here. So the reviews widgets are added to the product items on the product collection page here. Also, you'll be able to see that you can filter the options of your search by the review ratings here as well. So you can make sure to filter just to view products that are 4 stars and higher. Also, we have them available in the instant search, but this just gives you an idea of what the product reviews can look like on your store and how you can implement the Reviews.io widgets onto your live store and how this integrates with Boost. So heading back to the home page, just to outline, if you have any questions regarding anything mentioned within this video, you can head back to the home page and just start the live chat here from this button and get in touch with us, and we will respond as soon as possible. Also, we have the Reviews.io integration guide, so please feel free to read through this to walk you through the steps at your own pace. So that, in an overview, is how to integrate Reviews.io with your Boost Commerce store. Thank you.